In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually have an amazing effect and to edit your themes. So basically, let's head to appearances. Let's choose the themes. Let's first of all view our website. Here is our website with this boring theme. Now to customize the theme, we will have, as you can see right here, I have this theme installer which is called Sydney and it's free, but you can work with any theme right here. You can either click starter sites or click theme dashboard. I'm going to click theme dashboard and I'm going to be greeted with this one. Right here, I can find change site title or logo, header options, color options, font options, buttons, footer credits, blog options. Let's head to our website. Let's click customize. Right here, I'm going to show you how to edit a couple of settings right here. You can click on general, for example, background image, and you'll be able to select a background image. You can also head back up, choose a scroll to top function. This, you can change it to have different icon. You can even enable it and disable it. Scroll to top is just a simple button that will have a top bottom corner. When you slide down, it will have it right here. You can even have text plus icon. Back to top, for example, I'll just leave icon. And that's basically it. Go back, this is general. You can even change the header, site identity, the logo, the site icon, which is the favy icon. Head back up. And that's basically it, guys. Keep in mind that while customizing your website, go back to customize. Make sure to save the changes here. So for example, let me go to general and let's have the padding changed to 100. Here is the effect. Click publish. Now your changes have actually affected successfully. Go back again. For example, we'll even be able to add additional CSS. As you can see, we changed the background color. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.